Did NASA astronauts encounter unexplained phenomena during the Apollo missions? That's a question that has stirred the curiosity of many over the years. Let's journey back in time to the mid-20th century, an era marked by the space race, a competitive rivalry between the United States and the Soviet Union. Amidst this backdrop, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, better known as NASA, embarked on a series of missions that would forever change our understanding of the cosmos. These were the legendary Apollo missions. The Apollo missions were a monumental undertaking, born out of President Kennedy's ambitious challenge to land a man on the moon before the end of the 1960s. This audacious goal, which at the time seemed almost insurmountable, was achieved in July 1969 when Apollo 11 successfully landed 2 astronauts on the lunar surface. But these missions were about more than just landing on the moon. They represented humanity's first steps into the vast expanse of space, our first attempts to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos. And like any journey into the unknown, they were not without their share of mysteries and unexplained phenomena. Reports of strange sightings, unidentifiable objects, and eerie sounds have emerged from the transcripts of the Apollo missions. These accounts have sparked a wave of speculation and intrigue, birthing countless theories that range from secret space programs to extraterrestrial encounters. But what is the truth behind these unexplained occurrences? Are they simply the result of technical glitches and human error, or do they hint at something more profound, something beyond our current understanding? As we delve into the Apollo missions, prepare for a journey into the unknown. We'll examine the evidence, explore the theories, and attempt to shed light on these enduring mysteries. But remember, in the words of the great Arthur C. Clarke, the universe is not only stranger than we imagine, it's stranger than we can imagine. So, buckle up and get ready for a cosmic ride into the unseen cosmos. As we journey through space and time, we may find that the answers we seek are not only out there, but also within us. After all, to quote the late Carl Sagan, we are all made of star stuff. From the launch pad to the lunar surface, the Apollo missions were not without their mysteries. As the roar of rocket engines filled the air and the world watched in awe, astronauts embarked on a journey like no other. Yet, as they soared through the vastness of space, they reported a series of unusual occurrences that have puzzled scientists and space enthusiasts alike. The Apollo missions, a feat of human achievement that took us to the moon, were marked by a series of unexplained radio transmissions. Astronauts reported hearing strange noises, akin to outer space music, coming through their headsets. This symphony of otherworldly sound was heard even when the spacecraft was on the far side of the moon, out of radio contact with Earth. What was the source of these sounds? Could it be interference from the spacecraft's electronics, or was it something more mysterious? Throughout the Apollo missions, astronauts also reported sightings of unidentified objects in space. At times these objects moved in ways that defied our understanding of physics, raising questions about their origins. Were they simply space debris, reflections of sunlight on the spacecraft's windows? Or was there something more to these sightings? Technical anomalies were another element of the Apollo mission's mystery. Instruments would behave erratically, systems would malfunction without apparent cause, and data would sometimes appear garbled or missing. These anomalies, while often attributed to the harsh conditions of space travel, left many wondering if there was more to the story. These unexplained occurrences during the Apollo missions have sparked endless speculation and theories. Some suggest extraterrestrial encounters, others propose secret space programs, while skeptics argue for more mundane explanations. Regardless of the truth, these mysteries have fueled our fascination with space and our quest to understand the universe. From the launch pad to the lunar surface, the journey of the Apollo missions was as thrilling as it was enigmatic. As we continue to venture into the cosmos, we can only wonder what other mysteries await us. After all, as we've learned from the Apollo missions, space is a realm where the ordinary becomes extraordinary, and the known gives way to the unknown. These unexplained occurrences have sparked endless speculation and theories. From strange lights to inexplicable equipment malfunctions, the Apollo missions were fraught with enigma. The Apollo missions, a beacon of humankind's tenacity and thirst for exploration, weren't without their share of peculiarities. From the first Apollo mission to the last, astronauts reported strange occurrences that have yet to be fully explained. Let's delve into one such incident from Apollo 11. Buzz Aldrin, the second man to walk on the moon, spoke of a peculiar light that seemed to be following their spacecraft. NASA's official response was that it was merely a reflection of the sun off one of the many discarded rocket panels. However, Aldrin and his colleagues maintained that the light moved in a way that was inconsistent with such an explanation. Then there's the case of the mysterious moon pigeons. During Apollo 10, astronauts reported seeing objects that they described as looking like snowflakes, but behaving unlike any natural phenomenon they'd ever witnessed. NASA's explanation: these were small pieces of frost from the lunar module that got dislodged during its maneuvers. But the astronauts, seasoned pilots with years of experience, weren't entirely convinced. And who can forget Apollo 12's infamous camera malfunction? A television camera, designed to capture the mission's most significant moments, inexplicably failed shortly after deployment. The official explanation was that the camera was accidentally pointed towards the sun, thereby damaging its sensor. Yet, some argue that the angle and duration of the sun exposure shouldn't have caused such a catastrophic failure. These are but a few of the many anomalies reported during the Apollo missions. Each incident has an official explanation, often grounded in known science and technology. Yet, the astronauts' accounts often hint at something more, something beyond our current understanding. Are these simply cases of misinterpretation and equipment failure? Or do they hint at the vast unknowns that lie in the uncharted territories of space? The mysteries of the Apollo missions continue to baffle scientists and space enthusiasts alike. What are the theories that attempt to explain these unexplained occurrences? Over the years, a multitude of theories have emerged in an attempt to demystify the unexplained phenomena encountered during the Apollo missions. These theories range from the plausible to the outright fantastical, each offering a unique perspective on the enigmatic events that unfolded in the cosmos. One of the most popular theories suggests extraterrestrial encounters. Proponents of this theory argue that the unexplained occurrences are evidence of intelligent alien life. They believe that the anomalies captured on film or reported by the astronauts themselves are signs of extraterrestrial beings monitoring our exploration of space. Sightings of unidentified flying objects or UFOs are often cited as supporting this theory. Another theory points to secret space technology. Some speculate that the United States, or perhaps other nations, had developed advanced technology that was kept hidden from the public. They argue that the strange occurrences witnessed during the Apollo missions were actually tests of this clandestine technology. While this theory is less fantastical than the idea of extraterrestrial encounters, it still raises many questions about the extent of human technological advancement during the space race era. Then there are those who believe that these unexplained phenomena can be attributed to natural events. They argue that space is filled with a myriad of natural phenomena that we are yet to fully understand. These could include cosmic radiation, space dust, or even the effects of zero gravity on the human mind. Of course, these are just a few of the many theories that have been proposed. Some are more plausible than others, but all contribute to the ongoing conversation about the unknown aspects of our universe. While these theories offer possible explanations, the truth remains elusive. These unexplained occurrences serve as stark reminders that despite our advances in technology and understanding, space still holds many secrets, waiting to be discovered. And until we have concrete evidence, all we have are theories and speculation. As we continue to explore the cosmos, will we ever uncover the truth about these unexplained Apollo mysteries? It's a question that has lingered in the minds of many, stirring our innate curiosity and thirst for knowledge. In the quest to unravel these enigmas, scientists, researchers, and space enthusiasts alike are tirelessly probing into the depths of the unknown. They're sifting through heaps of archival footage, reanalyzing past data, and utilizing advanced technology to shed light on the shadows of our past explorations. Take the Apollo moon rock studies, for instance. Decades after the Apollo missions, researchers are still uncovering secrets from the lunar samples brought back. Recent advancements in technology have allowed us to examine these specimens under a new light, revealing information that was once beyond our reach. What's fascinating is that these studies not only help us understand the mysteries of the Apollo missions but also provide valuable insights into the moon's formation and its geological history. Then there's the ongoing search for extraterrestrial life. Unexplained sightings and anomalies from the Apollo missions have spurred interest in the search for life beyond Earth. Today, space agencies worldwide, including NASA, are investing in sophisticated technology and missions to find signs of life in the farthest reaches of our solar system and beyond. Each new discovery, each piece of evidence brings us a step closer to answering one of humanity's most profound questions. Are we alone in the universe? But as we delve deeper into these investigations, we often find ourselves facing even more puzzles. Each answer uncovers a new layer of complexity, a new realm of questions. It's a reminder of how little we know and how much there is still to explore. As we gaze into the cosmos, we are left with more questions than answers. The mysteries of the Apollo missions remind us that in the vast expanse of space, we are but explorers on the edge of the unknown. In the grand scheme of things, we're just getting started. Our journey into the cosmos is a never-ending voyage, teeming with infinite possibilities and endless wonders waiting to be discovered.